Welcome to our channel. In case if you have not subscribed, then please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep getting notifications for such interesting videos. In this video, we are going to cover our desert camping experience at the Prince Desert Camp located in the golden city of Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. We will be showing you desert camp facility, the tents, the camel safari experience, a glimpse of the cultural program, and finally the jeep safari experience, which comes as a single complete package. So please watch the video till the end and I am sure you will enjoy every bit of it. So let's begin. The Prince Desert Camp is located in the village Sam. It's pronounced as Sam and not Sam. It's 45 kilometers from Jaisalmer station, known as Sand Dunes of Thar Desert. Sam Sand Dunes is a rare desert area which lies in the edge of Jaisalmer Desert National Park and is also rated as top 10 must-see tourist destination in Rajasthan by Lonely Planet and TripAdvisor. Some sand dunes are simply amazing. These dunes are 42 to 45 kilometers away from the golden city of Jaisalmer and has a nice sealed non-bumpy road which is maintained by Indian Army forces. You were seeing these roads just a few frames before we entered in these bumpy marshy area. If you ask me, these sand dunes are very much similar to the Sahara Desert. The best time to visit these dunes is either sunset around 4 to 7 pm or sunrise 4 to 6 pm. There are many activities which one can enjoy, like these dunes have many locals who offer camel safari and jeep safari. Plus, there are many desert camps who offer Swiss tents and mud cottages just next to the Sam dunes. Here one can enjoy special Rajasthani musical and dance program and by night can have dinner prepared by these camps. Prince Desert Camp offer all of this. Here we can see in the screen, we are approaching the white colored tents of the Prince Desert Camp. We have travelled 40 kilometers from the Jaisalmer railway station and we have reached the destination finally. This is how we are entering. This is the entrance of the Prince Desert Camp and this is how we enter the Prince Desert Camp into its reception area. At the reception area, we have Mr. Arvind who takes care of the guests very nicely. There is ample seating space in the reception area. As we move inside, we have a corridor. That's the waiting area. There are 40 tents furnished with modern amenities and traditional interiors. The tents are exclusively designed to provide visitor experience of lifetime. Experience the soul of this enchanting land on a camel safari and jeep safari in Jaisalmer. This is the place where the cultural program takes place in the evening, and as you can see, these are the tents which are placed one after the another, very well spaced, and all these tents are numbered. So we were in this tent number 19. Let's enter the tent now. As we enter the tent, we have a single bed just to sit, an area where we can wait, where someone else, if we have some visitors, can sit and wait. We come across a door. And as we move inside the tent is quite spacious. It has enough things. It has mosquito net, a wooden bed which is king size. There are two small side tables with night lamps. You've got a very thick quilt. You've got a coffee table. Coming to the washroom. Washroom is pretty well maintained and well made. It has all the basic amenities that we require. It's pretty clean and tidy. So we did not face any issues while using the tent. Coming out back into the tent, as you can see the tent from the other view. So over and above all, this tent was very well made. It was very well insulated from the cold weather because we went in the month of January, and it felt very cozy and very peaceful while sitting in the tent. So this was about the tents. Now we move on to the next experience, which was the camel ride experience. The camel ride experience specifically starts from 4:30 p.m. onwards, where we are taken into the sand dunes on a camel, and we get to see the sunset sitting in the sand dunes, which is a very good experience. So this is how we started on the camel. You can see the tents on the left, and this ride spanned for around 30 minutes, where finally we were taken into the sand dunes. This is where we reached the sand dunes. The view was amazing. This is the best part about this desert camp, that its vicinity from the sand dunes is very close by. Around a 20 to 30 minutes of a camel ride or a 10 minutes of a jeep safari can lead you to the sand dunes. Even during the morning, you can go walking to the sand dunes to witness the sunrise. This was the sunset view, and this is how serene the view was during the sunset. We spent around 30 minutes sitting in the sand dunes and witnessing this peaceful sunset. This was one of the most memorable moments of our trip. Now heading on our way back. As you can see in the screen, we could witness a perfect sunset where the sun is setting right into the horizon. And this was something that we don't see in the urban areas or the city areas. This was our journey back to the desert camps on the camel, and as we reached the desert camp, this was the kind of welcome that we received. We had a person playing at hole, and we had another person sprinkling flowers on us. So this was quite a royal welcome back into the tent during the evening. Now this is how the desert camp looks during the evening, during the golden hour. And let us quickly walk through the desert camp. As we've already seen the morning view, this is how it looks in the evening. On the left, we have this place in the center, which is ready for the cultural performance, which is going to happen post sunset. This is where we are heading towards our tent. So after spending around 30 minutes from here, we will all set for the cultural event, which looks something like this. The performance was not, I would say, great, but it was a very nice and entertaining performance, to my opinion. There were 2 performers and 2 musicians who were playing live music on their own instruments. This was the musical Jugalbandi, which and with this, finally the crowd gets to join in. So this was how the cultural program was. It spanned for around 1.5 to 2 hours, and after this event we had our dinner, and post that we could spend some time next to the bonfire which was lit here. After this activity full of day, the next day we went for the sunrise. If you have to witness the sunrise, you will have to wake up at 6:15 a.m. in the morning and reach to the spot by 6:30 a.m. So this place where we were walking towards was 15 minutes away from the camp, and this was one of the top of the dunes where we could stand and witness the sunrise to happen. This was how it looked around. It was a very peaceful sight and looked very beautiful. That was our desert camp, and this is the sunrise time lapse. After this, we went for the jeep safari, which was our last activity. So this was how it all started, and the roads were very uneven and bumpy, and you can see how rough the roads were. We had a good ride for around 15-20 minutes, and we had a real bumpy and a fast ride. So we had a great time. So this is all about our desert camping experience, where we had witnessed camel safari, cultural event, jeep safari, sunrise, sunset, and a lot of fun. We also made new friends. So with this, we would sign off and bid you a goodbye for now. Please subscribe to our channel if you like this video, because we are going to come up with more of the Rajasthan videos. So please subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of these videos. Thank you for now. Take care. Bye bye. Peace.